Now since we are defining a new organization, we are going for new entries. So we are giving our sales organization name as maybe ASDF, and the currency is USD. I'll click on the next screen. Ours is a company. And the name of our company is ASDF Inc. And the search term indicates how can we search the name of a company. So I'm just giving the first two letters to search it, and the country is US and the region is Illinois. Now continue. Yeah. Now we are going to save our organization. Now go back, and now we are going to define our distribution channel. So close this box. Now click on the define distribution channel. You click on new entries as we are defining a new one. So it is AS. There is already an entry, so we are going to give a new name like DF. AF. Yeah. Now our distribution channel is FA. Here it is a division will be defined in the logistics general module. Now define division. So let's give our division also as FA. Yeah, it has taken few years, so because there is no entry with the division name QA, so we are taking our division as QW. Now we are saving. So now we have defined our sales area, that is the combination of sales organization, distribution channel and division. Now we are going to assign them. It is in this assignment tab. Now assign sales organization to company code. Now the company code is 1000. So place on position and give your sales organization. Here, this is your sales organization. So we are now linking our sales organization to the company code 1000. So now we are assigning our distribution channel to sales organization. Now we are assigning our division to say sales organization. So let's go with new entries. Okay, now we are setting up our sales area. This is our sales organization, this is our distribution channel, and this is our division. Now we should assign our sales organization and distribution channel to the plant 1000. Okay, now we are going to create a material. So this is the configuration of this sales area. So to create the material, so slash mm01 slash n goes to takes us to the new window. So our material is material 11. It's a finished product. So our plant is 1000 and the storage location 001. Sales organization is ASDF. The distribution channel is FA. Okay, let's keep the warehouse as 001. Let's see whether it will take or not. Okay. And here, wherever there is a check mark, those fields are mandatory, so we are going to fill them. The gross weight is 1, net weight is 1. This is the description that I gave. So here this is a tax cut that we are going to do. Okay. And availability check is we are going for daily requirements. And the transaction group is 0001, that is on pallets. And we are going to load the material on crane. Okay. These are all the views. The MRP type is PD, that is we are planning for the material. Here when the fields are grayed out, we cannot enter anything. So let's go back and come back again. Okay. I'll cancel this and create another material. Right now we will not take any warehouse because we haven't assigned anything, so let's go without warehouse. We'll take this as a material class. Tax 1 means it is full tax, 0 means no tax. Here, in all the views, all fields are not mandatory, so I am not filling everything. I am filling whatever is needed. No. Okay, let's create another material and see what we do. Because if this field is grayed out, we cannot enter the value. Again the same problem, it's not allowing us to go further. Let's take no planning. If we go for planning, we should enter the MRP controller, lot size and everything. So since it is not allowing us to do, I am going without planning. Okay, let's give 0, 0, 0. This is the warehouse. You know, since this is a finishing material, the valuation class is 7925. Let's take the price of our material as $10. We are making our material as planned to stock and see what happens. Okay, this field is mandatory, so okay, now we are saving our material. Okay. So now we must define our customer, because for the sales order, I'll show you. If we want to create a sales order, there should be a customer. The order type OR is a standard order, and the sales organization that we have defined is ASDF. Distribution channel is FA, division is QA. Yeah, here this is the sold to party. So if we want to create a sales order, we should know our customer. So let's create a customer for this. Let's see this works. Now we will extend this customer to our sales area. The T code is XD01. Okay. So we are taking the reference customer as 1177. Company code is 1000. Sales organization is 0.0. Distribution channel is SG. Reference division is 1F. And this is our sales area with company code 1000. We are giving the same customer because we want to extend this sales area to our sales area, this particular customer to our sales area. And let's click on enter and see what happens. Yeah. So we have extended the previously available customer with different sales area to our sales area, giving the same customer number. So these are all the different views that of this customer, like sales, shipping, etc. Now we are going to save this. Okay, so here we can see the customer 1177 was created for our sales area. So now let's go for the order creation. So the code is VA01 to create a sales order. So this is the order type or standard order, and this is our sales area. Okay, now if we enter the sold to party is nothing but the customer that we have just now extended, and click on enter. Yeah, now it asks us to select the sales area that belongs to this customer. Here it is, the sales area. Okay, the ship to party is also the same. Yeah, now we got an error saying that pricing procedure is not determined. So the T code to determine the pricing procedure is OVKK. They will give the customer everything. Okay, the new entries. Our sales organization is ASDF. Distribution channel is FBA. Division is QA. The document pricing procedure is, we are going to take the standard one, that is A. The customer is also a standard customer, maybe 1. Yeah, 1 is the standard customer. And the pricing procedure is also standard, that is RVAA05. Maybe RVAA01. Let's take this. Okay. Now we are going to save this. Okay. Now let's create the sales order and see. Yeah, the material we created is material 2. We are taking that. Let's take the quantity as 10 and the plant is 1000. No business area is determined, so let's go and determine our business area. Here it is define business area. Now here we should, since we defined that, we should also assign that business area to the consolidated business area. So and let's take this also as ASDF. Sorry, I think let's take 1000. Okay, now let's create a sales order and see. We are creating for 10 quantity. The plant is 1000. It is different here. We'll assign the ASDF to ASDF itself. It is. Now we save it. And business area. Maintain. Hmm. Hi Prasad, do you have any idea? It is even though we have created the business area, to show in your business area is determined.
Okay, I was muted. See, this material 2. Okay, so material 2, you go and check your division. Okay, so I will give you the mouse control. Go and check the division. Go to mm03. Go to mm03. Display material. And the basic data 1. Hit enter. Select basic data 1. Okay, is that's not your sales organization. ASDF is your sales organization. FA. And you have also a
Yeah.
warehouse. Okay. So where is your division? Go to basic data 2.
Here.
Yeah, there's no division,
Yeah.
right?
MM02.
So first of all, you don't have division there. Do you see that? Okay.
Yeah.
So second of all, go and show me whether your business area is attached to your division. Business
Yeah.
area attachment. SPRO assignments, sales and distribution. Where are you here? Why are you coming here? No, this is not sales and distribution, enterprise structure. Go to enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. So this is the 4th time you are doing, but it's not clear. See, you are doing something without a plan. So go to assignment. Okay, enterprise structure, assignments, sales and distribution. You are in finance. I don't want finance. Okay. So assign sales. Assign. So you see the business area. Do you see the business area? You did not
Yeah.
expand it. Expand it. Okay. Business area to plant and division. Have you done that?
It is assigned 2400.
Where is your plant?
1000 plant.
Where
QA
is your
division.
division? What is your division?
Oh, sorry, it is
What is the division you
it's
are using
QA.
right now?
QA division.
QA? Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Go back. Okay. Assign what kind of rules did you set up? Define rules by sales area. So click on position. Put your sales area.
Oh, here it is. Notify.
Where is the rule? There is no rule. Is your distribution channel FA?
Yeah.
And is your division QA?
Yeah.
Okay, because you just typed only ASDF and hit enter. So that's the reason. Go to drop down and tell me what is the rule you are going to set it up. Go to drop down.
It's not taking.
F4.
Shall I give the rule 1? Yeah.
See, why is not taking?
From sales area 2.
Sales area. So take 002, type 2. Okay, yes, hit enter. Go ahead and save it. Go back. Okay, now assign business area by sales area. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, type everything. Don't just type ASDF. Okay, type everything. Because you can have one sales area can have several divisions, can have several distribution channels. Okay, so that business area, that's it.
2400.
Go ahead and save it. And go ahead and default your division. in the material master. In the material master, it is empty. You are in display. You cannot, you have to go to MM02. Okay. Now default your division.
Okay.
Okay. Very good. So what is happening is every time you are creating a new material which is not needed, and you can create new material provided if you don't make any mistakes. Okay?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
not a problem. So thank you so much, and that will complete the design configuration. This may be warhead transmission for some of you who are first timers. So, but since we started, I thought I should complete this because it's been going on for almost 2-3 classes. So we have repeated several times, but every time something or other is missing. Hopefully, this time it's it's clear for other senior folks. Okay, I recorded this. I'm